Welcome back, traders and creators. In today's video, we're going to be talking about probably the most powerful tool that you can use in TradingView and for your trading. But before we get into that, I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed and follow the YouTube and Instagram channel so that way you can stay up to date with these daily videos and Forex content. So if you've been trading for a while, you definitely know what this tool is, or I would hope so, but it's the long and short position tool on TradingView.com. And even if you know what it is, I highly recommend you watch this short video because you may learn a couple more tips and tricks about it. But if you don't know what it is, basically it's a tool that allows you to understand how much you're going to be profiting on a trade or expecting to, and how much you're going to be risking on a trade. So the blue is the profit, the red is the bad. That's how much money you're going to be losing. So a couple of things about this is there's two of them. There's a short and a long position. Basically same exact thing but flipped. One for selling, one for buying. Now, a really cool thing about this is that you can customize the colors on it, which is the visibility and the style and all that. I like blue because that's good, red is bad. That's just how it is on the MetaTrader 4. So I keep it as is. Now, a really cool thing is down here, it shows you a couple things. One, it shows you how many pips your stop loss is going to be on this pair. Now we're on OddCAD on the 4-hour time frame, so yeah, it's going to be a little bit more. This is around 200 pips and then 372. So it shows you the pips that you're going to be aiming for, what your take profit is going to be at, and what your stop loss is going to be in pips. Now when it says amount, it shows the amount of your account balance that you're going to be gaining and how much of your account you're going to be risking. And the way that you know this is you can double click on it and put in inputs. Now the really cool thing is right here, it shows you what you can put your account size at. So if you're a new trader and you have a $100 account size, it'll be showing you that you'll be risking $5 and could be making $9 to $10 on this trade. And then you can just adjust this as you want and make it as real as possible with your actual account. So if you had a $5,600 account, you could be making up to $6,100 on this trade, but you could also be risking close to $5,300, and that's what your account could be at. So you can change your account balance. Another cool thing, you can change your risk. So if you really feel confident about a trade, you want to risk 50%, you can risk half of your account, or maybe you can even double your account. So that's a really cool tool, and that's all you have to do is double click on the actual position calculator. Another cool thing is you can actually adjust what price you want your take profit at. So if you know and you trade by quarters theory or psychological levels and this number just looks goofy to you, what you can do is you can erase all this and just take your take profit all the way to an even number, which you can see right here. And your take profit is all at an even number. Another really cool thing is it shows you your risk to reward ratio. Now with this, I usually say I never take trades that are below a 2.5 to 1. So what that means is I would never take or enter a trade where my risk to reward ratio is below anything like this. And the reason for that is because it allows me to make sure that, one, I don't need to overtrade, that two, when I do hit my take profit, it is definitely going to be way more than when I hit stop losses. And so you want to put yourself in the best position possible as a trader to make sure that even when you do hit some losses, that your wins can overcome those losses financially and just psychologically. So if you guys have never used this tool, highly recommend going to tradingview.com and then using this position calculator, which you can find on the bottom. Click that little right hand and it'll say long position or short position. And basically, you just go ahead and play it and use it in the real market to really predict where the market's going to go and how you can use it. So if you guys like this video, make sure you leave some love, and I'll see you guys on the next one.